Hi everyone, this is George with Document Solutions. I'm sure you've heard the news by now about viruses and outbreaks around the world. As this pandemic comes closer to home, Document Solutions wants to inform everyone that copiers and water coolers can harbor various bacteria and viruses, just like doorknobs and handles. In this quick video, we are going to show you the proper way to clean your copiers and water systems so everyone in the office can be happy, healthy, and safe. Using alcohol prep pads to wipe down the following areas will ensure that everything is safe and sterile. Please keep in mind that there is no sure way to prevent this virus. However, with great hygiene practices and cleaning areas where everyone interacts, we'll be able to stay ahead of this pandemic. Please stop by the Document Solutions website for additional information on how to stay safe and to receive your free alcohol prep pads for copiers and water coolers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and please share it on social media to spread awareness about this topic. Stay safe and have a great week.